Hi guys, I'm back! On today's episode, we're cooking spicy tofu. We need to prepare ginger, garlic, fried tofu, gochujang, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, and sugar. Heat the pan and put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Sauté garlic and ginger. Wait before the aroma comes out before adding 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, followed by 1 tablespoon of gochujang. Stir it well before adding the fried tofu. Make sure that all the tofu is well coated with the sauce. Add half cup of water and let it simmer for 2 minutes and it's done! So easy, right? You can prepare this recipe in less than 10 minutes. Thanks for watching! Until the next one!